Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, you will learn how to write poster on global warming. Global warming is a very trending and burning topic in present scenario and is very important from the exam point of view. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. Firstly, start with a bold and highlighted heading. Here, for example, I am writing Stop Global Warming. If you notice, I have used a graphical representing stop sign in the O of the word stop. In the next line, we will write Earth is crying, don't you hear? Next up, we will list out the harmful or hazardous effects of global warming under the heading. Here, for example, I am writing effects. Under this heading, I am going to list out 3 hazardous effects of global warming. First point, rising temperature. Second point, melting ice caps. Third point, extreme weather. To the right hand side, I have drawn a graphical representation that will represent the whole concept or theme of our poster. I have drawn a earth that is facing heat waves and is melting down with a red hitting temperature right beside it to indicate the rising temperatures due to global warming. In the next part of the poster, we will continue with the suggestions or solutions that we have for this global challenge. So, putting the heading solutions, I am going to list out 3 of my suggestions. First point, support renewable energy. Second point, reduce carbon footprint. Third point, plant trees. In the next line, we will write a slogan that will work more of as a call to action. Here, for example, I am writing Act now, cool down our planet. Lastly, write the name of the organization on whose behalf you are writing this poster. Here, for example, I am writing by XYZ Climate Change Initiative.